I want to remove the string here in this scene, and it's against an abstract background. So I'm going to choose my spot removal tool and brush over it. My brush right now is a little too small, so I'm going to change the size of it to 80 just to make it big and juicy so I can just paint over this in a nice easy stroke. And I'm creating the destination area for Lightroom, and once I release my mouse click, Lightroom is going to automatically choose the source area. And in this particular case, it didn't do a great job, and even choosing heal instead of clone is not giving me the result I want. So I'm going to move my source area up a little bit until it has a better look that I would prefer. And once I've got it in the position I want, I can release my mouse click and then choose Done. Using the spot removal tool in places like this with abstract backgrounds can be very useful, and it does take some practice to master.